This 2025 Winnebago M Series Mississippi 2326 MBBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Santorini interior, sleeps 7, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, refrigerator, self-contained, LP detector, smoke detector, TV, air conditioning, stovetop burner, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.